In the skies above conflict zones and across the vast blue of international airspace, there's a silent giant that keeps America's air power moving. Welcome to NAME, and today, we're diving into one of the most important but often overlooked aircraft in the U.S. military arsenal, the 2025 KC-46 Pegasus, America's advanced aerial refueling tanker that's reshaping how the U.S. Air Force fights, flies, and fuels. The KC-46 Pegasus might not have the sleek lines of a stealth fighter or the thunderous engines of a bomber, but don't be fooled, this aircraft is one of the most essential assets in the modern battlefield. Designed by Boeing and based on the 767 commercial airliner, the KC-46 is much more than a gas station in the sky. It's a high-tech, multi-mission platform capable of keeping fighters, bombers, and even other tankers flying longer, farther, and faster than ever before. Let's start with what makes the Pegasus special in 2025. It's not just a new tanker, it's a leap forward from the aging KC-135 Stratotankers that have been flying since the 1950s. The KC-46 brings modern avionics, advanced defensive systems, and digital refueling capabilities that make it one of the most precise and secure aerial refueling aircraft in the world today. Equipped with both boom and drogue refueling systems, the KC-46 can fuel almost any U.S. or Allied aircraft midair, whether it's the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, or NATO fighters. This flexibility is vital for modern multinational operations where Allied air forces rely on seamless support from one another. And with its remote vision system, or RVS 2.0, being fine-tuned for 2025, boom operators can use high-resolution cameras and 3D video displays to guide fuel probes into fast-moving jets with unmatched accuracy, even during night operations or turbulence. But what really sets the 2025 KC-46 apart is its survivability. The Pegasus is fitted with advanced defensive systems including infrared countermeasures, radar warning receivers, and armor plating around critical systems. This means it can operate closer to hostile zones, delivering fuel to combat aircraft where older tankers could never safely fly. The result: fighter jets spend more time in contested airspace and less time retreating to refuel. Inside, the KC-46's cockpit is a blend of digital avionics and military-grade communication systems. Pilots benefit from fly-by-wire controls, heads-up displays, and secure satellite communications. This tech not only makes flying safer but allows the KC-46 to be integrated into complex joint missions with real-time coordination between air, land, and sea forces. But the KC-46 is more than just a flying fuel depot. It's a multi-role aircraft capable of cargo and medical evacuation missions. Its wide-body design means it can carry up to 65,000 pounds of cargo or accommodate dozens of patients and medical staff during aeromedical evacuation missions. In times of war or humanitarian crisis, that versatility becomes priceless. And it doesn't stop there. In 2025, the U.S. Air Force has started integrating the KC-46 into more than just logistics missions. It's being tested for capabilities in command and control roles, acting as a flying communications hub that connects jets, satellites, and command centers. It's becoming an airborne node in America's future Internet of War. Let's talk numbers, because the KC-46 delivers in every category. With a maximum takeoff weight of nearly 415,000 pounds and the ability to offload over 212,000 pounds of fuel, it can keep entire squadrons operational without ever landing. And with a range of more than 6,300 miles unrefueled, it can project American air power across the globe, from the Pacific to Europe to the Middle East. And don't forget, this aircraft isn't working alone. In 2025, the KC-46 is part of a growing fleet aimed at replacing over 400 aging KC-135s. By mid-decade, the U.S. Air Force expects the Pegasus to be a common sight on airbases around the world. Its presence means more flight time for stealth fighters, more reach for bombers, and more options for commanders operating in dynamic, fast-changing combat zones. Critics had their doubts when the KC-46 program first launched, with delays, cost overruns, and early refueling vision system problems. But in 2025, those issues have been largely resolved. Boeing and the Air Force have committed to refining the Pegasus into the reliable, all-weather refueling platform it was meant to be. And now, it's delivering on that promise. You might not see the KC-46 in dramatic Hollywood movies or front-page headlines, but make no mistake, without the Pegasus, America's global air strategy wouldn't be possible. It's the backbone of airborne endurance, enabling the U.S. military to operate anywhere, anytime. Imagine a squadron of F-35s taking off from Guam, racing toward a target deep in enemy territory. Without mid-air refueling, their range would be limited, their window for attack shortened. But with a KC-46 circling just outside contested airspace, those same jets can double their time on target, extend their strike range, and return safely. That's the invisible force multiplier the KC-46 provides. So the next time you watch a fighter jet soaring high in a combat zone or a bomber returning from a long-range strike, remember, there's probably a Pegasus behind the scenes, silently fueling the mission. Thanks for watching Name. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world's most powerful military machines. From stealth jets to strategic bombers and vital support aircraft like the KC-46, we cover it all. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.